Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. You should see where I'm at and see the view that I have. Wow. Let me turn you around and let's see. Be right back. I'm at Kentucky Lake over here by the dam. This is as close as I can get on this side of the dam. So I'm going to zoom in as much as I can. Come on, zoom in. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Again, I'm still learning the camera. Give me a break, folks. There's the dam right there. Let me see how good of close-up I can get. That's on this side. Right there is the lock. And if you pan slowly, you'll see one. Can you see it? The towboat? Oh, wrong way. Now, remember, I said towboat. Not tugboat, not rowboat. Towboat. And there's the second one. They're both waiting to get into that lock. Okay, I know, because I'm zoomed out so far, I have to give it time to focus in. I'm still learning. But right there, what that rock levee is, that's the starting of them going inside the dam. Inside the lock, I'm sorry. Let's take a trip to the other side. Let's see if I can get into the viewer's box to be able to watch. All right? Sometimes it's open, sometimes it's closed. All right, let's go check it out. Well, when you know it, I turned on the camera. 2 trucks. Hasn't been a truck on this road the whole day. At least while I've been on it. Now 2 trucks. Okay, people. Anyways, looks like I cannot get in to do the viewing. Hold on, let me turn. Oh boy. Where the heck did all this traffic come from? This is the country, folks. No, this ain't no damn city. Alright, as I was saying, it looks like the Kentucky Lock is doing a Kentucky Lock Edition project. And it's done by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the West Kentucky Resident Office. And guess what? It's only open for the people that are working there. I'm not allowed to go in. No, so. Okay, so our next stop, we're going to be going to Berkeley Dam. No, so that's only about 1.5 miles away. No, so. And we're going to go check that out. How's that sound? All right? Here we go. Look at this, people. This is Berkeley Dam. Nice. Doesn't look like they're releasing any water. If they were, trust me, that water would be rushing around, and the water is down so low. But I think the visitor center is open. So far, I'm getting close to it, and I haven't been stopped. All right, let's continue on. Guess what, people? Nope. It basically states I have to get permission from the commander to do any type of photography, and I'm not allowed to bring it in without it. So, and I gotta have because of the area, I gotta have special equipment to wear. No, so it's called PPE. I have that on the boat. I don't have the hard hat, but I mean, I got the life jacket, and I do have earmuffs and things like this. Y'all seen me in that before. But yeah, unfortunately, I can't even do a recording of this. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to do it from the towboat. No, so I'll set it up to where you can see the whole process, and I'll speed it up when I get it back out on the boat. So I'm sorry, you guys. I tried. But still, look at the view. No, that water is down, and this is the Cumberland River. Kentucky Dam is on the Tennessee River, and they both merge. And there's a big, huge, like, inlet, however you want to call it, peninsula. It's called Land Between the Lakes, and I live over right by there. So, got a train coming. Yep, here we come. Choo-choo. Good heavens, how many locomotives does it take to pull a train? Goes across dam. Wow. That bridge down there, that's where we would cross. I'm not sure if you heard me. I said that bridge down there, that's where we would cross. Okay, it seems I can walk somewhere else to give you a different type of view of the lock. So let's do this. Be right back. Okay, I gotta go down some deep stairs. Let's do it. Yes, I'm hanging on. At least it hasn't rained. Well, it did a short rain last week in the morning. And that's the last rain we've had. Now I understand some people in the Midwest, in Missouri area, they were getting pelted yesterday or the day before yesterday. I had taken a look at the weather report. It was headed to Chicago, not towards us. I know during the wintertime we said we just had too much water for these rivers and lakes and for us towboaters to work. But with the water going down and receding quite a bit, as you can see along the sides there, we need the rain. They're not even releasing water out of these dams. So, but take a look at this. Now, what the heck was that? That was coming from the train. But it looks like they're doing some type of repairs, and that's why the lock is closed. Yep. But look at that long train. It went all the way across. Now it's backing up. But you know what? It's very beautiful here. Now it's got a few towboats down this way. A couple towboats. They're probably waiting to get through the dam. The lock, I mean. Come on, focus in. There we go. Again, I'm still learning this camera, so bear with me. I just gotta figure out which way these buttons work, and stop and hold and focus and zoom, unzoom, hit the record button. That's a big thing. Not sure who that is. But good reason why they probably have it closed to visitors right now. And with the hard hats and everything. Looks like this one is doing some type of repairs as well. If this is the case, they're working during the day and then they're only opening up the locks at night to get these boats going through. So, let me turn this around. So, with that said, so this was brought to you by Saucy, the towboat chef that's on land. So not on the boat. Jeez! What are they doing over there with that train? Anyways, I'm going to head home and work on my next video. So I got a couple videos that'll probably be out this week. One definitely for sure for Cast Iron Wednesday. Take a look at that. So I'll give you a sneak peek at the end of this video. Alright, you all have a great and wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. Even though we didn't accomplish what I wanted to accomplish. But I did give kind of like a preview of what's to come, of when they do open. And I'll be able to give you guys those tours. Alright, you all have a great and wonderful day. And click like, click subscribe. Don't forget that notification button. Can't know I got out videos if you don't hit that notification button. And check out some of my playlists. So I have a lot of my dishes. I got them separated right now. Like beef, pork, chicken, potatoes, vegetables, desserts, and so forth. I even have my cast iron cooking playlist that has a bunch of other cast iron cookers. You ought to check their pages out. They're great cooks. If you like good food, there you go. Trust me, I wouldn't recommend them if I didn't think it was good myself. Alright, you have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, here's that sneak peek I wanted to show you. If you remember a couple months ago, which I'll put a link right over here, or in an end screen, to that video that I did of the tour of Grand Rivers. And everybody, a lot of people know about Patty's 1800s that had a fire, and that they were in the process of building it the last time I did a video. Well, they're still building it, but I want you to see the progress that they made. It is looking good. Be right there. Let me turn this camera around. Now, I'm doing this from the inside of my vehicle because it's when I started to do the video, I'm sure you heard that buzzing noise. They're cutting wood up here. But look at this place. It is getting to look pretty damn decent. Now, it's going to be huge. Now, but then again, their pork chops, oh my God, that's a meal in itself. Oh, here comes the vehicle, in my way. But those pork chops are to die for. Alright, but I thought you'd let you all know, that people that have been in this area, how far they've come along. Hopefully soon to open up. Alright, have a great day.